Hey guys, so this is the One Tree Canoe Sprite 11. So I give you a little bit of a rundown review thing on it. I've been using it for a good couple of months now. I've given it a flogging, rivers and dams. I love it. Stable as I can stand in the canoe, easy to fish from, rod holders and whatnot. Probably only thing I could change with it, I reckon, would be I'd put a backrest on. That's me personally. Obviously, it's canoe traditional sort of a thing, don't have backrest, but for me, with the more long distance stuff, more hours on the water, a backrest would be nice. Yeah, I'll show you some bits of. Excuse the mess, I'm in the middle of fishing or casting lures around. I'm not catching anything. So that's a seat. Awesome seats on them. But yeah, like I said, I'd put a backrest on of some sort. I don't know, I'll see what I can do about that. Here are his rod holders that he puts on. Heaps of storage. I haven't camped out of this thing yet, but I have taken like a full kit out on a little bit of a day trip, and it handled the weight really well. I had everything behind me sitting there. You'd probably put heaps more in if you wanted to put something up the front here. And don't take the look of it as a standard. The gel coat didn't really take to this one too well when he did it. If you have a look on his website, he does some really nice looking boats. One Tree Canoe. Dan's his name. Dan the Canoe Man. I reckon if I was ever to get him to make me another boat, I would get it in that colour there. I think I like that colour. He hand makes all of these boats too. They're all made here in Queensland, southeast Queensland. He's not too far from Wivenhoe Dam in Somerset. Yeah, really nice guy, lives on the river. You can go there, take it from paddle and whatnot, and try him out before you buy, basically. He also does hire. Does sunset paddles, which are really cool. I haven't done one myself yet, but they look really nice. Yeah, this thing here, so it's 11 foot. I think it weighs, comment below Dan if you watch, but I'm pretty sure it's about 16 kilos, 17 kilos, something like that. Gets them pretty light, which is awesome compared to the rest of the market with like the kayaks and whatnot. They're all 20 kilo plus, 25 kilo plus, which is really good, especially for when you're doing like river trips and lots of stuff, and you get to the end of a pool and you've got a portage across the shallow section. Instead of just dragging it through the rocks and scratching the shit out of it, you can pick it up, carry it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's awesome. Can't stand it until it shows up. Jeez. get water in the boat before you actually tip. The hull design's like perfect. So probably go further, but I'll put some stuff in the back. If you want. So good. So yeah, if you're in the market for a canoe, give Dan a ring. Have a look. He's got a website as well. Check it out. OneTreeCanoeCompany.com. He's on Facebook. He's on Instagram. Yeah, have a look at him. He does some big canoes too, like some. I think he does up to an 18-footer. So you get like 3 seats if you've got a bigger family and whatnot. And yeah, like I said, everything's handmade. It's made to order. You tell him what you want, and he makes it in that colour. You can do paddles as well. So he does like single-bladed canoe paddles out of timber. They are so nice. They look so good. I was always a kayak guy before this, so the double-bladed paddle worked really well for me. I was always used to it. I just sort of stick with it. I'd already had one, so I'd just stay with it. Yeah, I'm gonna go try and catch some fish, maybe.